Hey guys, today you're checking out stock number 301633, and this is a 2018 Buick Enclave, and our color is Summit White. So let's take a look inside at some of our interior features that we've got on the unit. All right, so we have a power hatch, windows, mirrors, and locks. Power driver's seat with lumbar support. Got our parking brake, interior and exterior lighting controls. Steering wheel features hands-free, stereo remote controls, cruise control settings, and stereo remote controls. I don't know why I said that twice. All right, so we got traction control, all-wheel drive, trailer brake, parking assist, our satellite radio ready. Got our electronic and dual climate control with heated front seats, USB ports, automatic transmission. We're also OnStar ready. Got our sunroof controls and garage door openers, and our interior color is tan and black. Moving on to our exterior features. Rear passenger features. We've got power windows, 2 bucket seats, rear climate control, USB ports, and the seat folds down for access to that third row 60/40 split bench seat. Now it's time for exterior features. We've got our roof rack, 20-inch Buick rims. We've got rear parking aid, a rear view camera, remote hatch. There's all our cargo space. And there you have it, guys. That is stock number 301633. You've just checked out the Summit White 2018 Buick Enclave. Thanks for watching.